Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC19. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a dodgy plug connection with your Dyson DC19, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to wear and tear on the plug or internal wiring. If left unchecked, it can lead to your vacuum not working at all, leaving you without an essential tool for keeping your home clean. To carry out this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement plug, electrical tape, and a pair of wire strippers. Start by making sure your Dyson DC19 is unplugged and lying on a flat surface. Carefully remove the screws on the back panel using a suitable screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing to avoid damaging any clips. You should be able to see the plug connection and the wires leading from it. The likely culprit is the connection point, which may have frayed wires or loose connections. Locate the wires connected to the plug. They should be easily identifiable. Now, carefully disconnect these wires by unscrewing the terminals. Take your new plug and strip the ends of the wires to expose fresh copper. Connect these wires to the new plug, ensuring you match the live, neutral, and earth connections correctly. It's crucial to apply just the right amount of torque when tightening the screws on the plug to avoid any further damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely connected, put the casing back on the Dyson and replace the screws. Make sure everything is tight and secure before plugging it in. To check that it works, turn on your Dyson and ensure it operates smoothly without any flickering or interruptions. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, regularly check the plug and wiring for any signs of wear and avoid yanking the cord when unplugging your device. Keeping the plug and connection clean and free from debris can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.